So I really wanted to show you a couple projects that we've been working on. We've been in this house going on 2.5 years already. It's crazy how fast we've been here, or how fast time's flying, I should say. But we've worked on a few different projects on the outside to make it really appealing and enhance and upgrade the curb appeal. So when we bought this house, it's a late 60s, 3-bedroom, 3-bath ranch with a really open concept with partly finished basement. So it's maybe about 12, I don't know, over 1,200 square feet. So it's not huge, but it's really open concept. So we really like the layout and everything like that. It makes it feel a lot bigger, and the yard is just huge. So that's another perk. But as far as the curb appeal itself, what we've done, now these shutters used to be like a dark red, like a magenta, I would say, or like a magenta color, I guess. But they were really faded. They were almost like a, very, very light magenta. It looked like the sun really was baking on them for years. So painted all those black. Okay, that's the first thing. That's huge. It's noticeable, right? Super easy, super cheap, simple project that really enhances everything. And also did the backside here as well. So tons of windows. And then on the back door, you can't really see it. It's just not a picture. Oh, you can kind of see it. The trim around that's black as well. Took out a whole row, I should say, of bushes, and then all these as well. So I cleaned this up really well last year with the power washer. I sprayed this off real good, and it's getting a little dirty again. So not too bad. But anyways, as far as the upkeep of the front, we put all black mulch in, rubber mulch. I did a video on that. I'm so sick of this stuff. We want to get rid of it. I could probably sell it at some point, but nice and durable, but it just collects so much crap and debris. So I did a video on that. But the foundation we painted black as well. As you can tell, the side's not done, but there were bushes here covering everything. So it really enhances everything. And then also painted the chimney too. Something that a lot of people probably don't think about, but it really makes a huge difference, especially from the street, So the garage doors were also painted black. They were white before. We painted the front door here, and you can see some of the decorations. The wife does a really good job at decorating every year. So it just looks, it looks like it's out of a magazine. So we got that done. I got to touch this up. But as far as the paint that I'm using, this will chip after a while. Just, wear and tear. A few spots here and there that just need to be touched up. So I'm using Bare Exterior Flat Deep Base Paint and Primer. So I'm just touching that up with some spots that need it. There's not a ton of paint left because I use this stuff a lot. But just want to clean it up. Just a pet peeve when you come out here and you just see some of those spots. It just looks, dingy and just looks like crap. So I got to fix that. And then I wanted to show you, we did this as well. We painted the well, which this was just a standard, it looked like it was rotted wood. So we made it the best we could, painted it. I think we painted it a couple different colors, but white was the best option. I think it looked best. Kind of nice contrast against the black. And then over here, we make these address signs. These are actually the old numbers. I just made the backboard to it. So we do a whole bunch of those. We used to sell a whole bunch of them. So, and then the door here got painted. And of course the black around the foundation as well. So a lot of projects going on. And then that's pretty much it. So we got this bench and we got this little bridge piece here as well. And then we built that tree box and put an interior around the whole base just to maintain everything, and so it doesn't get too much dirt up the side. So that's pretty much it as far as the curb appeal that we've done. And I do want to paint the frame of this metal door. The outside is kind of looking a little dingy down there, so that will be done at some point. And that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for more videos, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.